In a world where business value is driven by big data, IoT, and BI, data collection and automatic identification can revolutionize supply chain, logistics, and manufacturing models. Innovation in supply chain and logistics is becoming more and more important in the corporate competitive core. New business models and services are being built today based on data collection and identification technologies, enabling smarter, leaner, more efficient, personalized, and innovative supply chains and logistics. BOS Dimex enables enterprises from local to global harness these capabilities. Data collection and RFID seamless turnkey solutions cover all aspects of infrastructure, hardware, software, packaging consumables, and even outsourced workforces to handle the ongoing or ad hoc projects. With BOS Dimex integrated solutions, enterprises can perform better and meet their challenges. The BOS Dimex portfolio, built with global leading vendor solutions, is a complete one-stop shop for all supply chain needs. Rugged, smart, wireless, mobile, and forklift terminals that help improve operational efficiency and warehouse management, RFID and barcode scanners and readers, essential elements in all parts of the enterprise value chain. Data collection and warehouse management software and applications, working in conjunction with enterprises' existing ERP or software, enabling decision makers to get reliable real-time data, optimize their processes, save on costs, and generate more revenue. Thermal and barcode printers with any size and format, such as thermal transfer. Mobile and barcode printers enable items to be labeled, tracked, and monitored. Consumables such as ribbons, labels, and tags are the daily fuel behind day-to-day operations. Active and passive RFID tags for product and process traceability are commonly used for smart and efficient stock keeping. Collecting data with no line of sight is revolutionary in many ways. Manufacturing floor traceability, management, and reporting allows production managers to get real-time smart data. Another main utilization of our turnkey AIDC solutions is widely used in the agriculture segment. Seamless and secured wireless infrastructure is a must-have in any modern enterprise logistics campus, as more devices are used by mobile workforces and IoT applications are taking a greater part in supply chain process. Supply chain workforce outsourcing is a smart solution for companies who prefer to buy skilled professional SLA rather than hire employees directly. The most common use case for outsourcing services is the annual inventory count. BOS Dimex serves its vertical markets customers, such as retail, production, security and defense, healthcare, high-tech and clean room, agriculture, and more, with service excellence complied with ISO certificates. In the IoT era, BOS Dimex is a market leader.